Hello everyone, and welcome back to the AGF channel. Today I have for you a super easy technique for making 8 half-square triangles at a time called the Magic 8 technique. Using this method makes it quick and easy to make all of these half-square triangles. If you want to see how to make 8 half-square triangles at a time, then keep watching. I'm going to make 2 different combinations for this video, so if you only want to make one set of 8, then only use 2 squares instead of 4. Here is what you will need. A 7 3/4 inch square of Clover Compass from Craftbound, a 7 3/4 inch square of our pure solids in Toasty Walnut, a 7 3/4 inch square of our Floral Elements in Sand, a 7 3/4 inch square of Kantha Charcoal from Kismet, a ruler and rotary cutter, pins, and a fabric pen. The cutting requirements will also be listed in the description box below, as well as a link to our quilter's cheat sheet for you to make your own 8 at a time half-square triangles in different sizes. Start by drawing a line from corner to corner on the wrong side of 2 of your squares. I chose to draw on the lighter square so I can see my lines easier. Place them right sides together with your other squares and pin to hold them in place. So 1/4 inch on either side of both lines that you drew. Next, cut on both of the lines that you drew, then cut from side to side in both directions. A rotating cutting mat works great here, but it is totally optional. Once you have your half-square triangles cut, press them with the seams to the side, not open. If you do not have a square ruler that is 3.5 inches, take a larger ruler and some bright contrasting tape and line up 2 pieces along the 3.5 inch lines for easier squaring up. Make sure your ruler also has a 45-degree line for accurate cutting. Line the diagonal line up with your seam, trim the 2 sides before turning and trimming the other 2. I have found that squaring up my blocks makes much more of a difference than I thought it would, and while it takes a little more time, it is definitely worth it. The pile of trimmings looks small for the 16 half-square triangles I have here, but it could make any of my seams end up off. There are so many ways to use these half-square triangles, such as in a quilt or a skirt like the one you see here, which we have created for our Patchwork Stories. What collection would you use to make this skirt? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, and until next time, happy sewing everyone!